At Entergy, we're always working to deliver safe and affordable power to our customers. We do this by making the right investments in our system to strengthen reliability and resilience. There's a great deal of evaluation and planning that goes into determining whether to install overhead or underground power lines. Each system has both positives and negatives. While underground lines may be less vulnerable to severe weather events, their construction and maintenance costs are significantly higher, and burying current overhead lines underground will be very expensive. We also need to determine whether land conditions support buried lines. Is the ground too wet or soft? Is the area prone to flooding? When problems do occur underground, they often take longer to find and fix and require specialized tools and equipment. While overhead lines are more exposed to weather, crews can locate a problem much easier. Within a short period of time, they can start making repairs and restoring power to customers. So the decision to use overhead or underground power lines is based on a variety of factors, including benefits, accessibility, and cost. Visit EnergyStormCenter.com for more information.